So Mr. Abdullah, when we click on this local host, I am using the React and it's showing our home page over there, in which we have this card section, this is login section, and this register section. Okay, so in starting, when I click on this, it's like this images I have put into like in on click event. I will just changes the screen, and there is another section over there in which it's showing the pictures, and rest of the picture are showing over there. I have this photo section, this newsletter section, and this is the like photo section, in which we divide into three part: left, mid, and right. In the right part we define our contacts informations and our contact number with address, and this is our useful link. Directly go to the home page, these sections, and this is our social media account in which we will in future we will upload our contents over there. This is Facebook, this is Instagram, this is Twitter, this is Pinterest. Okay, so this is also payment gateway is also over there, and I have also implemented payment gateway in my website. So let's select one of the article. First I will log into this website. Okay, so I just go into login, and on that time I just put our username and password. Okay, and just give me 1 minute. Like our local storage is totally empty, so when I put our admin password into it, so our local storage will getting our this value. So we will use that value, and it will keep us logged into when we go into different pages over there. Suppose if I'm logging into my system, and the default page is the home page. Okay, in this home page I will come over there, and I go to this suppose if I select this shop now button. Okay, on that time this particular product will fetch over there. I have implemented the filter products on the basis of that, if their combination, if the size and these are exist, on that time this combination images are showing up to us. Okay, this is a filter product, and its category will mention over here in this short section. This is the another section. If I select black and large section, they have not. If I select black and large, only one product is this one. If I select yellow, and on the basis of it will match with the database, and the size and these things, I just put the dummy data over there. If this any size exists, it will showing that product over there. So let me check. This is for the women section. Okay, so when I go to this light jacket section, it is for the men section. So the same things I have applied for the large section. Color black, nothing is there. Color white, and if I put small, XL, large, only one content is there. So this is a sort product. On the basis of ascending and descending their price, it will fetch the result from there. And this is our called on click event. We will change the things and match with the database, that these particular things are matching in database. On the basis of that, it's showing product. And another side, when we price ascending and descending, on the basis of that it's showing product to us. This is just for dummy data. So suppose this is cart button, this is search button, this is heart button. If I click on this button, it will go put into this particular this products, and it will show their name, title names, and their price, their color and size. Okay, if you on if you make some like if you make two items, so it will multiply with the number of quantity and price, so it will go into our cart. So when we click on the art cart button will be updated over there. Okay, so again if I want to go to another product, if I want to select this one, so this previous product is saved. Suppose if I want to select this one, this product also, and I want to make this quantity is 2 3, and if I click on to add cut button, it will go over there. Because with the help of login we have used, and the local storage, the session is storage over there. On the basis of that, we can go anywhere and select any item into it. So I just go, if I select this one also, this one will also come, and it will go on to over there. So suppose if I go to the add card button, we have three articles we have selected, and their price are coming over there. and their size, their description name, their IDs, their size, their name, their description are coming over there. So their total will automatically calculated over there. Okay, this is for some like we will make some changes, but mostly things are there. Only we have to apply the discount over there after the total amount is deducted, and it's showing the deducted amount of there. So yeah, for this payment gateway, I have implemented the this one Stripe payment gateway method. So I will show you in this network tab. I will make the when I click on this one, it will make the payment gateway API call. Okay, so it will showing over there. So this is a payment gateway dummy data I have put over there. So this is our like for test purpose I have used this card number. Okay, the real is also working. Okay, this is API, and when we make this API payment gateway over there, so network showing that this payment is completed. Okay, so this payment is getting because we get also get the response on this ID. Okay, this, and we can also check into the payment gateway header. Amount we have passed is 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 33 lakh 40,000 we have amount we have passed. So we check into this payment type payment gateway. Okay, these are previous transactions, and if I refresh my page, let me check. If I refresh my page, their status is showing zero successful. Okay, and see this payment is coming over here, and it is succeeded, and time is 24 June 8:31 p.m. This time is 8:31 p.m. and right now 8:32 p.m. 1 minute ago we make with the payment, it is successfully. So in code wise I will tell you that this is our e-commerce website. We have divided into two part. First part is three part. First part is admin part. It is different. In API part we write down all the APIs for it. For example, just I am showing you the Stripe API, the Stripe methodology we have implemented. So in this type.js we have to take this one as a private key. Okay, this is the public and public and private key. This is our private key. It is stored on the server side, and when we make the payment post gateway, so there is a also token body. This is a public key on the client side, like on the front end type. It will come over there with the amount, and it is matching with this Stripe. Okay, and it will match with the public and protected private key, and after that it will make the payment gateway, and it will showing 200 if successfully, and 500 if there is an error. And in the front end, this is the back end index.js. I have just uh, uh, this import this type and put into this variable, and after that I make the API call from here. So this is like post method. In the payment, all the parameter we are passing come into over here, and in the front, this is the back end, and in the front end I will show which type we have used. We just go to the source, and the payment gateway is in the this part. Mm, gateway, current payment gateway, type. this is the this is the front end part. Okay, this is the public key we have put over there, and we are using this Stripe payment. We just import this library into our React part. Okay, this Stripe checkout library, and after that in this Stripe checkout we will define our name, image, and billing address, shipping address. We define these things, it will automatically come over there, and in the button we just giving the pay now button, and when you click over there it automatically come over there. And we can also pass some function over here in this token on token. what it will doing this on token will call this function and updated the token value over there, and in the use effect we will call that API this checkout payment gateway. Okay, and in the backend it will I will show that functionality, and in the response we just get the token ID from Stripe token ID and amount, like for dummy amount I have put 2000, and it will there is the response we got, we just uploaded over here. Okay, and after that this type token and get this function will call, and on the backend payment gateway will work. Okay, so from here this response will go into it, make the backend API call. I have also explained to you the backend API call over here. The parameter will come, and we, from the parameter we just get token ID and required amount will be updated, because in the starting we just put the initial amount, but on the amount that we have put over here in this part, it will come out automatically over there, and it will update it, and it going to the and save over here. This is the this is just I am showing you the front part with the backend API part calling, and this is the first phase, and total we have completed, I have completed in 3 stages. So this is just first phase I will explain to you. Okay, so there are so many APIs we have written to get the products, get products, order products, get user, update, login, register, product ID, get product ID, order ID, update, delete, get order, get income, get insert, update, delete cart, and all cards, these things. And this is just first part I have completed. So later part I will explain to you about MongoDB, which database I have used. I will show you. In the models we have defined that this card schema for this particular card database, and the required fields, like product ID it must be string and quantity must be number default, and we have to import that model with the card and schema. In the routes we define the all the APIs, like post method, put method, delete method, get method. Okay, and this get method. After that there are lots of things. This is the first part I will explain to you, because I think almost I have given half an hour to you. So later on I will explain the another part of these things. And there is also admin panel. In admin panel you will automatically upload some new pictures, of this image. So suppose if I go to home section over there, so in the admin panel we have a, like we have make a website, so we can upload the content with title and description, so it will automatically come over there, and it is showing with the description, this thing, it will automatically come. You can also delete the products from the database with the help of that admin panel. So I will explain to you that this is for today. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Good night.